Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to Rahman Digital Production. This is Mathematics 4024 of GCE, and today we are going to record video number 31, and we were talking about the solution of linear equation. In question number 6, yesterday we did two parts, that is A and B. Today we are going to start the C part, and the question is written y divided by 2 minus 1 over 5 is equal to 2 minus y over 3. First job is to combine the similar variable and constant on the other side. So y divided by 2 plus y divided by 3 is equal to 2 plus 1 over 5. Now next is to take the LCM, and that is 6. So 3y plus 2y is equal to 5, 10 plus 1. Now there will be 5y and 6, and here it will be 11 divided by 5. Now we have to shift this 5 over 6 to the other side. Ladies and gentlemen, I told you yesterday that you have to multiply both sides by the reciprocal of this number, which is 5 over 6y, and on the other side we have to do the same, multiply 6 divided by 5. So this will be cancelled with this, and this will be cancelled with this. So we are left with the y is equal to 66 divided by 55. And when we divide 66 by 55, so 1 whole 11 over 55, and 11 ones are and 11 fives are. So 1 whole 1 over 5 is the ultimate answer, and that is the value of y. Now in this case, first we have to shift 2y divide by 3 and minus 2y, and 5 divided by 8 plus 3 over 4. So here we have to take the LCM as 3, and that will be 2y minus 6y. Here we have to take the LCM as 8, and that will be 20 plus 24, and you know how, you don't have to waste time again on it. So 2y minus 6y will give you minus 4y divided by 3, and that will be 48 divided by 8. 2 fours are and 2 24s are, 4 ones are and 6. So it means that we have to shift this minus 4 over 3. So we have to multiply with the reciprocal of 4 over 3, which is 3 over 4, minus 4y divided by 3, and we have to do the same thing on the other side as well. So this will be cancelled with this one, and we will be left only with minus y is equal to 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 9 over 2. So y is equal to minus 4 whole 1 over 2, and that is the ultimate answer. I shifted directly this minus to the other side. So that will be 4 whole 1 over 2. Now in this case, question number 7, they are testing you on other scenarios. Here we have, remember that if x or y are any variable whose value you want to find is in the denominator, so you have to do cross multiplication. So I am writing here from cross multiplication, from cross multiplication we have 4x into 10. I rearranged it as well. 5 twos are 10 and 4x. This implies that x is equal to 10 over 4, 2 twos are 4, and it is 2 whole 1 over 2. So x value is 2 whole 1 over 2, and that is the final answer, ladies and gentlemen. Now let us turn our focus to this one. Here the variable y minus 1 is in the denominator, so we have to do cross multiplication. So here you have to write from cross multiplication, and 2 into y minus 1 into 3 into 12. So 2y minus 2 is equal to 36, and then this implies that 2y is equal to 38 and y is equal to 19, and that is the final answer. Now in question number 8, they given us more difficult question as compared to the previous one. So minus 6 plus 3x is equal to 6x. Minus 6 is equal to 6x minus 3x. So I am rearranging it, and this will give you x is equal to minus 2. Uh, Here I am first opening, expanding this bracket, so minus 6x minus 12, and now I have to shift this 6x minus 3x minus 12 minus 5. So now 6x minus 3x is 3x is equal to minus 17. And here I have to write x is equal to minus 17 divided by uh, 3. So this will give you minus 5 whole 2 over 3, and that is the ultimate answer. Now in this case, first minus 27y minus 6 is equal to minus 8y and minus 14. Next job is to arrange the same variable on the same side and constant on the other side. So when we simplify this, so minus 19y is equal to minus 8. Yes, this minus will be cancelled with this one, and y is equal to 3 whole 1 over no, it is equal to 8 divided by 19, and because it is not divisible by 19 perfectly, so we have to leave it as it is. minus 12y plus 15 is equal to 35 plus 14y. Uh, Next, we are having to write the variable on the same side and the constant on the other side, and then we have to evaluate it. So it will be minus 36y, and that will be 20. So y is equal to 20 divided by 36 with negative symbol. uh, Two 18s are and two 10s are, two 9s are and two 5s are. So y is equal to 5 over 9 is the ultimate answer. Now we are doing this part number E. 3 5s are 15 minus 3h minus 2h plus 4 is equal to minus 1. So minus 3h and minus 2h will give you minus 5h, and then 15 plus 4 19, and when 19 is shifted to that, so it will become minus 19, and it will be added with minus 1. So minus 5h is equal to minus 20. Directly I am cutting this minus with this minus. So h is equal to 4 is the ultimate answer of this part. Now we have to shift this to other side. So from cross multiplication, we are having 5x plus 1 is equal to 3 sevens are 21, and then 5x is equal to 21 minus 1. So 5x is equal to 20, and dividing both sides will give you, on 5 will give you x is equal to 4. Okay, now let us do this part, and here again we have to do cross multiplication. From cross multiplication, we are having 3 into 2x minus 3 is equal to 4x minus 3. So 6x minus 9 is equal to 4x minus 12, and then 6x minus 4x is equal to minus 12 plus 9. So this will give you 2x, and this will give you minus 3. So x is equal to minus 3 over 2, which is minus 1 whole 1 over 2 is the value of x. It means that if we put 1 whole 1 over 2 instead of x, then both sides will be equal. And you can check your answer during the exam that you put minus 1 whole 1 over 2 instead of this x, and this evaluated both the sides will be equal. That is what is called as finding the solution. From cross multiplication, again from cross multiplication, again we are having 3 into 3x minus 1 is equal to 5x minus 1. This will go there and this will come here. So it will be 9x minus 3 into 5x minus 5. Now we have to arrange the same variable on one side and the constants on another side. So it will give you 4x minus 2. So x is equal to minus 1 over 2 is the answer. Now, first of all, you can do the cross multiplication again, because this 1 over 4 into 5y plus 4 mean 5y plus 4 whole divided by 4. So again you have to do the cross multiplication, and cross multiplication will give us uh, 3 into 5y plus 4 into 4 into 2y minus 1. So ladies and gentlemen, the same thing, but for confusion they wrote, instead of this 5 value out is 1 over 5, nothing else is there. So 15y plus 12 is equal to 8y minus 4. 15y minus 8 is equal to minus 4 minus 12. So it means that this is 8y. So minus 15y minus 8y is 7y, and this is minus 16. This implies that y is equal to minus 16 divided by, so it means that minus 2 whole 2 over 7 is the ultimate answer. Now let's turn our focus to this. Ladies and gentlemen, there are two ways in which you can do this question. The first is shift that to other side and then do cross multiplication, or take the LCM on this side, and then after the simplification you have to shift that. Because we are doing all the question through cross multiplication, so let us do it like this as well. So y plus 3 divided by 7, and then 7, 2y minus 1, and 5y plus 3, and that will be 14y minus 7 is equal to 5y plus 15. Now 14y minus 5y is equal to 15 plus 7. So that will be 9y, and it will be 22. So y is equal to 22 divided by 7, which is equal to 3 whole 1 over 7, and that is the final answer. Now again we can do that by 2y plus 3 divided by 4 minus y minus 5 divided by 6. When this is shifted to other side, and then from cross multiplication, 2y plus 3 and minus 4 into y minus 5. 6 twos are 12y plus 18, and minus 4y plus 20. 12y plus 4y 20 minus 18. So this will become 16y, and this will become 2. So y is equal to 1 over 8 is the ultimate answer, because if we divide 2 by 8, okay, so this is y is equal to 1 over 8, and this is 9. So 2 whole 3 over 4 over 9 is the answer in this case. Yes, now let us do this question, and cross multiplication is the ultimate choice because x is in the denominator, and I told you that you have to shift it, and then rearranging it is equal to 12. 2x is equal to 12 minus 6, which is equal to 6, and this implies that x when divided by 2, so it will give you 3 number. So question number 10 in part A is saying like this. Again, the only choice with us is to do cross multiplication, and I am rearranging it as well. So this is 11 and this is 8x minus 4 is equal to 11. 8x is equal to 15, and this implies that x is equal to 15 divided by 8. So 1 whole 7 over 8 will be the ultimate answer. 32 divided by 2x minus, first of all, let me shift this minus 1 to the other side, and it will become 3. And then 32 divided by 2x minus 1, and when I take 4 as the LCM, so 1 plus 12. Now again directly doing the cross multiplication, and 32 multiplied by 4, so this is 26x minus 13, which is equal to 128, and this implies that 26x is equal to 128 minus 128, and this will be plus 13. So when this is shifted to the other side, it will be, now here I am writing 28x is equal to 141. So x is equal to 141 divided by 26. So when 141 is divided by 26, let us multiply it with 5. So 5 3s are 5 2s are 10, 13, 130. So 3 and 130, and it will give you 11. So x is equal to 3 whole 11 by 26 is the answer. Now the D is the final part on this whiteboard, but here we are when multiplying, so it will become 5, not I wrote this 3, it is 5. So it means 5 whole 11 over 26. Now I have to shift this to this side. I 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over x plus 2. So it will be 3 over 2, 3 over 2, and 1 over x plus 2. And from cross multiplication, we are having 3x plus 2 is equal to 2. So 3x is equal to 0, because when this is shifted, 2 minus 2 is 0, and 0 divided by 3 is 0. So x is equal to 0 in this case. Okay, now let us do this, and directly we are doing the cross multiplication. So cross multiplication will give you y into 5, 5, y minus 6. So 4y plus 20 is equal to 5y minus 30. 4y minus 5y is equal to minus 30 minus 20. So minus y is equal to minus 50 minus minus will be cancelled. So y is equal to 50. And that is the ultimate answer of this question. Again, cross multiplication. So 7 2y plus 1 is equal to 4 into 3y minus 5. 7 twos are 14 plus 7 is equal to 12y minus 20. So this is 21, not 21, this is 14y. This is 14y plus 7, 12y. So now 14y minus 12y minus 20 minus 7. So this will give you 2y and this will give you minus 27. So this implies that y is equal to minus 27 divided by 2. And when we divide this 27 by, so it will give you minus 13 whole 1 over 2. Minus 13 whole 1 over 2 is the value of this. Here again the denominator is containing the variable, so cross multiplication. 2 into y plus 6 is equal to 3 into y minus 2. Here I am writing 2y plus 12 is equal to 3y minus 6. And ladies and gentlemen, 2y minus 3y will give you minus y, and minus 12 and minus 6 will give you minus 18. So this y will be cancelled with this and we will be left only with 18. So 18 is the answer here. Final part for today, and that is again cross multiplication. So I am writing from cross multiplication. From cross multiplication, 2 into 9y minus 5 into 3 into 7y minus 3. So now we have to expand it. 18y minus 10 is equal to 21y minus 9. And when 18y, from that we subtract 21y and minus 9 plus 10. So this will give you 3y with negative symbol, and that will give you 1. So y is equal to minus 1 over 3 is the solution set. Ladies and gentlemen, comparatively now you will see that algebra is not that much difficult. It is getting easier and easier day by day. But we are heading towards a very complex topic, and that is quadratic equations and other solution of linear equation. But these things will help you a lot, so then don't take it easy and do more effort to learn it. Without seeing the whiteboard, do it in your copy or wherever feasible for you. Do it and understand it. When we reach to the most advanced concept, then you will feel easy. Thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.